welcome to DeForest Hobbies. Today we're continuing on the Space Battleship Yamato, Volume 14, and this is a 350 scale model from Japan, Hachette Collections, Japan. And it looks like we're going to be working on some more of the fiber optics, which is going to be up in the first bridge of the ship. Looks like we get another hull panel to take and go along with that. Here's the instructions that we'll get into later on. Looks like it's going to be a lot of bending fiber optics and stuff in there. Not too much to do. Looks like by the time we get done, we're not going to have much to do in that. It's just all dealing with that. This is talking about the third bridge, which is located underneath the bottom of the ship right here. Was added onto it, and it can also take and do pretty much everything that the wave barrier and everything else on it. That's what they were meant to do on there. More pictures of the actual place where you can go up into the bridge. People can dock into the Yamato. It shows more of the bridge interior, kind of a concept art and stuff. And then this is one of the post-war apocalyptic Earth battleships. Not sure exactly which one this one is, but they use these extensively in there, and it has a lot of the specs about it. And then this is the floating continent that's seen in part of the different things of the series. And it looks like we're going to be taking and putting a lot of decking together, and looks like we're going to be putting some of the other stuff together. So let's get to it. Let's see what the parts are. Okay, here is volume 14 parts. Let's get them out of the package and see what we got. Alright, we have some stickers, and we have this plate here, and we have these fiber optic wires, and then the piece that they're going to go into. We won't need this for today, so we'll just put that up to the side. Move the stickers off to the side, and what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on this piece here from the back side, and we're going to be putting in one here and two on each side here, and so let's get started with them. So probably what we're going to do first is we're going to take each of these here that we've got, and we're going to take these and clip that little extra piece that's right there on the edge of that. You can see there's that little piece here, and that we're going to clip that part off. And seems like every time I decide to do this, my things go running off into oblivion. Be right back. There they are. Found them. So let's just cut each one of these, because these are all the same length, and they all need the same treatment of this to be cut off. It doesn't matter which one we use first or which one we use last. So we might as well prep them all right now. Alright. So first one we're going to do is we're going to bring it in from right here. I'm going to start right here. Bring this one down through there, like so. And do we want to bring it through that? Yes, we do. So we're going to bring all of them. Once we bring them in, we're going to take them, bring them down through this loop right in here. We're going to bring them down in there. So we don't want to get too crazy with them. As I do this, we don't want to break them. They are flexible, but we still don't want to break them. They could have a tendency to break and stuff. So our next one, we're gonna take this, bring it around over here, just so we don't confuse it, because we're gonna use this yellow blue on here. And we're doing the standard 4 centimeters again from the end for that. And then we're going to take another one here. We're going to bring that through this hole here on this side. Now we want to make sure, like this one here that I had, it's been pushed out. We want that to actually be flush in there, like that. We want all these to be flush in their spots. We're going to bring this one through here, like that flush. Bring it down through here. And all of these ones here that are going in now will have the SL sticker on each of them. They want us to put the stickers as we put 2 of these on there. That's like, I think we can, if they're all the same, we're just gonna do that. So we'll do this side here, and then we're gonna put one in on this side here. We'll just do this side first, and then we'll do the other side. Bringing that flush, bringing that down into here. I've seen the live action Yamato, Space Battleship Yamato, and I thought it was pretty cool. It's Japanese, but it was English dubbed. I think I saw it actually on YouTube in itself, in the full length, which I have not seen the animated version, but I'm sure because it's a series versus a movie, it's a much better or longer series to watch. Since the movies usually do not translate to having multiple things on TV or a movie. I'm not sure if it was an actual direct-to-TV movie that they had, or if this was the actual movie that they had in the theaters. I would have to go and source that out. Okay. Here, got there. And we bring this one here through, like So, and we will bring that down into this mess here. It's kind of interesting that this has its own kind of a wire tidy type of deal. So now we're going to take these SL stickers here. Apparently they give us another extra one for that. So these are all going to be about 4 centimeters again from the end. So they're having us build some of the bridge, and then they're having us build some of the front of the ship, and then having us building some more of the bridge and some of the ship, and eventually we're going to get to where they'll be put together. Not sure when, but having all the parts here at once kind of helps in that. You just kind of go through and see what's all being done in that versus having to wait every month for part work. But I did order the extension parts, I guess, to this build all the way up to 220 or 250. So hopefully we will have this one, and I think the other one's a couple of other ships that are in part of this universe. But I won't know until I get them there. But there we go. We will have to push these in when we actually put them together. These will have to be tucked in more, pushed in. And that I am assuming that they will take and use pieces of glass that'll go up against those items. But that's all we got to do. I'll bring back this part, and that's all there is in volume 14. We'll see you next time. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. And remember, mental note, like and subscribe to be updated to all my content. And thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you later.